naglami gid ikaw siomay karong taon-taon. Karong mga kapuso, mahinabi na ni Cecil si kapuso comedian Tetay.
Makigsadya kanato rong buntaga si kapuso comedian, impersonator and host Divine Tetay. Maayong buntag Tetay and welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello there, Ms. Cecil. Maayong buntag and thanks for having me here at GMA Regional TV Live. It's such a great honor. Thank you so much. And you look so pretty and so gorgeous. Nahihiya ako because I just came from my morning jog. So,
Wow! Pero you look fresh and you look beautiful po, Miss Tetay. Thank you for granting this interview.
ito naman si Ms. Cecil.
Miss Tetay, how are you doing? And how's your family as well?
Well, we're okay naman. We're doing pretty well naman here. I mean, lahat nakakapag-adjust naman mabuti sa nangyayari sa ating lahat. Wala naman exempted sa atin. So, you know, we just have to adjust and understand more.
You're a very strong
Yes.
person. You're a very resilient one. You even fought and won against cancer. But now po, with this pandemic, how did this strengthen you even more?
I went through depression, for a while. Hindi ko nga alam ko bakit ko ba naramdaman yun. Or it just came out. I just felt it lang. It just, I had to deal with it. Pero okay naman siya actually. Okay na siya ngayon. God gave me another chance, my second life. So siguro binigay niya to ulit para sa ating lahat to teach us like how to deal with this. To like your faith like has to be like much stronger sa kanya. So ayun, it taught me a lot of things.
Wow, Miss Tetay, thank you for opening up about that experience na nangyari sa iyo. And now with so many things that has happened this year, how do you remain your fun nature? Saan ka kumukuha ng lakas para patuloy pa rin magpasaya sa mga fans mo?
I eat plenty. Charot. Oh my God! Paano ba ako kumukuha ng lakas? How do I remain this funny? Ngayon, with friends, I make sure I stay with the right group, with the right friends. Alam mo yun, who would like, help you in times na when you're, down. They're there for you not only during good times. So, yun. More communication sa family, sa friends, should be there all the time para pasok sa mga, and I thank you. Charot.
Eto pa, marami ka pang iti-thank you na questions, Miss Tetay. Kasi ngayon, throwback po muna tayo.
Sure.
Throwback po muna tayo. When you lived here in Cebu and you worked here in Cebu, ano yung mga nami-miss mo, nga gusto mong puntahan dito, Miss Tetay?
Miss Cecil. Okay, let's start with Larshan. And then, yung mga pungko, gano'n, pungko, ma'am. Ang mga,
Unsa pa?
basta marami siya, pagkain, yung mga barkada ko dyan.
Certified bisdak ka talaga, Miss Tetay.
Lagi, white char.
White char. Wala, Joy char. Miss Tetay, earlier you opened up about undergoing depression. Pero ikaw po yung pangtanggal stress sa amin through your vlogs. Buti na lang at nagvo-vlog ka na. What made you finally open your own YouTube channel?
Nakakatawa yung, alam mo, Miss Cecil, bukod sa ang ganda-ganda na itsura mo ngayon, ewan ko, I'm pretty sure, ganyan itsura mo palagi, you are so put together. Every time they tell me, alam mo, I'm very thankful and sometimes it brings me to tears na ganun yung acceptance na nakakatanggal ako ng stress reliever nila ako na, well, all I wanna do is to just have fun.
Ngayon, balik taping ka na with the new weekly series na binuo ng Kapuso Network, ang I Can See You. Kasali ka sa High Rise Lovers episode. Please share with us anong magiging role mo dito.
I love yung character ko doon. So, it's not naman exactly strict, Miss Cecil, pero yung, kasi most of the time I do not naman din the palengkera, Becky, pero yung medyo refined ng konti, pero matabil na dila. Matabil na dila na Bex.
Miss Tetay, this time,
yes po.
may may special segment tayo dito ngayon for you sa GMA Regional TV. Itong Bali Talk. bali-bali.
Balito.
Oo, baliktad na talk.
So, ano itong balito? Sige, balat
Oo.
ni Cecil.
Ano tayo,
As
mag-Bisaya,
everything.
tongue twister ka po,
Okay.
Miss Tetay. Ang sasabihin mo lang ang itong tongue twister na ito. Ang kwarta ko sa kwarto, 4.
Ang kwarta ko sa kwarto, 4. Ang kwarta ko sa kwarto, 4.
Ito po, Miss Tetay. Ang iho, hiwaa, ihawa.
Ang iho, ihawa, iwaha. Again, ni Cecil. Ang iho,
Ang iho, hiwaa,
ang imo ba? Ang
ihawa.
iho.
Ang iho,
Ang imo.
hiwaa, ihawa.
Ang iho, hiwaa, ang imo, ang ako nga hiwaa. Ano ba? Ang iho, hiwaa, o sa imo ganaan, hiwaa ko ang imo, o dili ko ganaan. Okay. Diyos ko, nakakaloka.
Nakakaloka talaga itong mga tongue twisters na to. Ay nako, Miss Tetay, before we end the interview, let's invite everyone to watch your episode sa I Can See You. And of course, yung mensahe nyo po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin dito sa Visayas.
Yes, before like I really say goodbye, of course I'd like to thank Miss Cecil and yung team ng GMA Regional TV Live for having me. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat kayo. And I'd like to invite all of you, mga amigo ko dyan sa Cebu, to please watch I Can See You, High Rise Lovers. Yung YouTube ko po, Divine Tetay. Ganun din po yung Instagram ko, Twitter, and Facebook. Please, thank you so much. Just stay happy because life is very, very beautiful. Diba? No, Miss Cecil?
Oh,
Just
yes.
like you. Look at you. You are so buo.
And just like you, you're a very beautiful person. Daghang salamat po, Miss Divine Tetay, for joining us this morning.
The pleasure's all mine, Miss Cecil. Maraming salamat.
Ingat! Gawas nga napatawa mo ni Tetay this morning, hinaot nga aduna pud mo'y nakuhang leksyon sa iyang kasinatian isip usa ka cancer survivor. Dasig lang gayud mga kapuso, matud pa ni Tetay. More to come pa sa pagbalik si GMA Regional TV Live.